Hello, welcome back to our channel. Tonight we're doing the 2 times spicy hot chicken noodles challenge. Oh my god. I don't know if I can do it. I never ate these before. I don't eat spicy stuff. I don't eat hot stuff, and I'm scared I don't know where to eat it. But let me pray on this. Oh my god. The smell of it is in my throat. Oh my goodness. Oh, let's pray. Let me pray. Lord, I pray that this hot spicy stuff don't affect my throat and my stomach, Lord. Have mercy on my throat and my stomach. I don't know if I can do it, but I'm going to try my best. Lord, I pray that I can get it all down. And I pray that she won't eat all hers, Lord. Lord, just let us get through this. Oh, my goodness, I don't know if I can do it. I'm so scared. Oh, my goodness, Lord, please help me. Help me, Lord. Hear me.
Amen.
Oh, my goodness, I'm so scared. Oh, my God, girl.
All right, take the first bite.
Oh,
You
Lord.
with this. Come on.
Oh, my goodness, yo.
I don't know how to eat with these.
Oh, my God. Well, why you going to eat with your eat with the fork? Shoot. Oh, my goodness. I'm so scared, girl.
Come
on. Oh, my God. Ain't they strong? You smell it, right? Girl, it's in my throat. That mess is in my throat, man.
Come on, first bite.
Oh, okay. Okay.
A bit bite.
Oh, no. Okay.
Come on.
Okay. Go.
Come on.
Oh, Lord.
Come on.
Oh, my goodness, y'all.
Go.
Oh, my God.
1, 2, 3,
Lord.
go.
Oh, my God, man.
Come on. 1, 2, 3, go.
Okay. Oh, wait.
1, 2, 3,
go. Oh my God. Oh my God, I can't do it. Oh my God.
Oh. Eat some more. This y'all got me crying.
Oh my God. I gotta hurry up. Oh, I just want to hurry up.
Oh my God.
Oh Lord.
Oh. Whoa.
Oh my God. Oh Lord. Oh my God. Oh Lord, I can't do it. Oh my God.
This y'all got me crying.
Oh Lord, I can't do it. Oh my God.
Eat some?
Oh my God.
Oh.
Oh my
This got me
God.
crying.
Ooh, Lord Jesus. Oh my God. Oh my God.
My lip burning.
Oh my God. I don't even eat hot stuff. Why am I doing this? Oh, Lord have mercy. Oh my God. I can't do it. Oh Lord. I can't do it. I quit.
You can't.
Oh my God. I can't.
Come on, eat some more.
I can't. I can't do that. I can't. Ooh, Lord, I can't do it. I can't do it. I can't do it. I ain't no way I can't do it. I can't. I'm sorry, I can't do it. Oh, my God. Oh, Lord have mercy. This is going to kill me.
Oh my God.
Oh, my. How in the world do they do it? Oh, my God. Oh, Lord. I can't do it at all. Oh, my God. Oh, Lord, I can't do it. I can't. I can't.
Refill. Ooh.
Oh, my goodness. How in the world do they do it? Oh, Lord. I'm going to die. Oh, my
Come
God.
on. We can do it.
I can't. Girl, it's going to kill me. I can't do it no more. Oh, no. I can't, y'all. I'm sorry, but I can't do it. I can't do it. Oh, Lord have mercy, Jesus. Ooh, Lord. Oh, Lord.
Yeah,
Oh,
my mouth
Lord,
is
how
so
in the
bad.
world? How do people do it? Oh, my God. Oh, I don't know. I can't.
You could eat another one.
No, I can't. Oh, my God.
My mouth is still on fire, bro.
Oh, Lord. Oh, God. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. Oh. Oh, my gracious, Lord. Oh, Lord, have mercy. Oh, Lord.
Come on. Come on.
You go. Excuse me. You go. I can't do it. Oh, my God. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord, have mercy, Jesus. Woo! Oh, my gracious. Oh, I gotta suck on this ice. Oh, my God.
You want to get yourself ice
Oh, Lord.
behind me with the ball.
Excuse me. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Wow. How in the world people eat that crap? That crap. Oh, my God. Oh, it's so nice.
I don't even eat noodles.
Oh, it's so dang hot, y'all. Too hot, y'all can't do it. I can't do it. I'm sorry. Can't do it. Oh. It's bad about to kill me. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. Oh, my God.
I can't do it. We done.
Oh, yeah.
I got something to tell you.
I thought you could.
I got something to tell you.
What, girl?
When you went upstairs,
When you put more in my bowl.
I put hot sauce and some rice.
Oh, my God, you didn't. Why would you do that, man? Why would you put that in my stuff? Oh, my God. You put sriracha and hot sauce in my food. Oh, my God, yo.
I put hot sauce.
Oh, my God. Oh, my mouth burning so bad. Oh, my goodness.
Like a lot of
Lord.
sriracha.
Oh, my God. Oh, my tongue is on fire. Oh,
When you went
Lord.
upstairs to go get the headband.
Why would you do that? You play too much. Oh. Move. My tongue is on fire, man.
That's how I knew you put some in my bowl.
I did not.
I
did not.
You did put some of your noodles in my bowl.
Oh,
I
my
seen
God.
it on top.
I did not. Oh, my goodness, man. Why would you put that in my stuff?
That's why yours so red.
Exactly. I knew something was going on. You put sriracha. Oh, my goodness.
Now I should eat
Oh,
some.
that is the hottest. Oh, my God.
Oh.
You need to eat it. Shit. Ooh. Oh, my God, y'all. That is just the hottest stuff I ever laid in my life. That's really hot. Don't you throw up on me. Don't you throw up. Go. Get away. Don't throw up on me. Oh, my God. Y'all, that is just too hot for me. I cannot do it. I don't eat hot stuff. Oh my God, it's just too hot and spicy. I don't like hot and spicy stuff. Oh my God, I can't eat it. I couldn't do it, y'all. I couldn't do it. I tried, I can't do it. I just couldn't do it. And on top of that, she put sriracha in my noodles. Oh my God, it's extra hot. My tongue is on fire. It's so hot. Oh my God, y'all. It's so hot. That's the worst thing I've ever ate in my life. Oh my God, it's so terrible. Oh my goodness. Oh, I need some more ice. I need some more ice.
I'm back.
Oh my God. I feel like I want to puke. Oh my goodness. So nasty. Oh my God. It's so hot. Oh my goodness. Oh.
Awesome.
We couldn't do it. Oh my God. I don't know why I ever tried that mess. Oh my goodness. Never again. Oh my God. That is just too much. Oh my goodness. I think we took like 3 fork spoons.
They even turned my hand orange.
That's it. I couldn't do no more. Oh my God, it's just the worst stuff I ever tasted in my life. Ugh. So nasty.
I would never do this again.
You. I don't know why I even tried. I don't even like spicy food. Oh my goodness. Ugh. It's just so nasty. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Y'all, we are the weakest link.
Goodbye.
Okay. I couldn't do it.
Me,
Oh my goodness, that is just, oh my God. That's just too hot.
my ears burning.
Too hot, y'all. Oh my God, that was just too hot.
Yeah,
I'm
my
sorry.
face red. Look at her face.
Oh, look at my face turn red. Oh my God, it's so hot. Oh my goodness, y'all. It was just too hot. I couldn't do it. No more spicy nothing for me. Oh my God. Oh, nasty.
Shit right here is hot.
Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Oh Lordy. Oh,
So y'all, as you
Y'all.
can see, we failed.
that was enough. I couldn't go no further.
My lips still burning.
Well, honey, we're gonna try something else.
Something new.
Maybe
It won't be
something
this
else
again.
spicy, but it won't do these. Maybe some hot wings or something, but
I'll eat chicken.
never again the 2 times spicy nothing.
My lips are red. You see my lips?
Oh my God, look at my face. Oh my goodness, y'all. That was just too much for me. But anyway, thanks for watching again. Oh my
eyes
God.
burning.
Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe.
A video.
Oh my God,
Thumbs
this
up.
was the worst.
We
But
failed, you know.
we love you. Good night, peace,
Peace.
and we out.